If you want to enable Autopay in Google Pay, so open up your Google Pay. So firstly, just go to your Google Pay, and once you're in your Google Pay account here, so what we're going to do is click on your profile, which is on your top right there. So just click on the profile, okay, and from here, what we're going to do is scroll all the way down, and you will see there is an Autopay option there. Tap on the Autopay option, and under live you will see all the subscriptions that you have so far made through your Google account. So all you have to do is simply to enable it, or you just have to, when you make a payment to any merchant app on your when you make a purchase, all you have to do is select UPI Autopay as the payment mode. So as soon as you select the UPI Autopay as the payment mode, the Google Pay will start the Autopay subscription. So it will make the payment automatically, and you will be notified before every debit. Okay, so basically that's what you don't really have to do anything, you just have to select the UPI Autopay as the payment mode when you make a purchase. And once you do that, you will see all your subscriptions here under your under your the live category here. You will see that. Okay, and that's basically pretty much it is.